What is a phishing follow-up scam? Secondary scams explained. Think a phishing scam is over after someone gets tricked? Sometimes that's only the beginning. Quick overview of phishing. Follow-up scams. A phishing follow-up scam happens when scammers target someone again after an earlier scam or phishing attack. They may pretend to help recover money, fix the problem, or warn about another fake issue. Why follow-up scams happen? Once scammers know someone responded to a phishing message, they may see that person as an easier target. Phishing attacks often rely on urgency, fear, and trust to manipulate victims. They may sell contact information to other scammers or continue targeting the same person themselves. The most dangerous scam might be the one that comes after the first one. How follow-up scams work. Here's a common pattern. A phishing email, text, or fake alert tricks someone. The victim responds or clicks a link. Another scam appears afterward and may say, "We can recover your money." Your account is still compromised. Pay a fee to secure your account. Recovery scams are a common type of follow-up scam targeting previous victims. Examples of follow-up phishing scams. Perpetrators of follow-up phishing scams disguise themselves to carry as various entities. Here are some examples. Example: fake recovery service. Someone loses money in a phishing scam, then gets contacted by a fake recovery expert, promising to get it back for a fee. Example: fake security warning. A pop-up or email claims your device is still infected and tells you to call support. Technical support scams often pressure users into paying or giving remote access to devices. Example: follow-up phishing email. A second email claims there's suspicious activity on your account and asks you to log in again. Phishing emails often imitate trusted companies and create urgency. Follow-up phishing scam. Warning signs. Here are common warning signs of a follow-up scam: pressure to act quickly, requests for payment or gift cards, messages claiming they can recover lost money, unexpected calls, texts, or emails. Urgent language is one of the biggest phishing red flags. How to protect yourself against follow-up scams. If you think you've been targeted, stop responding immediately. Don't click more links. Change important passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. Contact companies directly using official websites. Verifying messages independently helps protect against phishing attacks. Quick recap. A phishing follow-up scam happens after an earlier scam attempt. Scammers may pretend to help, recover money, or warn about fake problems to trick victims again. Common mistake. One common mistake is believing the second contact is legitimate because they already know details about the first scam. But scammers often reuse stolen information to sound convincing. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SImpleTech help. Tech made simple.